guys, Jim and Kristi Hall coming to you today, and we just wanted to give you a little testimonial about something that we've been doing for a little while now. It's called the 30-minute workday.
The 30-minute workday is it's a shortcut, and we've been doing stuff online since about 2000, and we've made a lot of money. We've had a $25,000 month, and we found that with this shortcut, the 30-minute workday, that anyone can duplicate our results. Now, maybe not $25,000 right from the get-go, but you can come in and you can set up your shortcut, your business in a box, and you can start making money right away. And this is the first time I've ever really found a system in all these years that I was proud to say, you can do.
One of the things that I can attest to when he says something that you can do is I'm a baker. I have a home business baking company, and I sell to people in my local hometown, and I wanted to step it up a notch. So I used the tools that were in the 30-minute workday, and I actually applied them online. And what I did is I took my passion, my hobby, and my business, something that anybody can do. Everybody has a passion, everybody has a hobby, and I used the tools inside the 30-minute workday, and I created an academy. It's an academy where I can teach others to do what I do. And everything that I do, I learned with the 30-minute workday, and now I'm touching people all over the world and making some pretty good money doing it.
And that's what the 30-minute workday is all about. And she talks about how she's creating her own product, right? But the 30-minute workday is at its essence about finding the shortcut to not even create your own product. But of course, we've been doing this a long time, so we took some of those tools of not creating your own product and then actually rolled them all together and created something of our own so that we don't have to worry about what's going on in the world right now. And you're able to take the tools and what we call scale. See, our last business, the more we sold, the more we had to work. So there wasn't any scalability because there wasn't enough value in each customer. And that's something that we're really finding with the 30-minute workday is the customer value is much higher, so we're able to scale more. I don't want to get too advanced because I don't want to confuse you, but as you read through the book, you'll find these secrets in the 30-minute workday.
One of the things that I knew right away that this was something that we were both going to love was Jim looked at me and he said, right now today, if I were going to make a system, this would be the exact system. And that's coming from a lot of years of experience.
It's so simple. You get in, you do phase one, you read the book, you do 3 simple steps a day. You grow your audience, you engage your audience, and you sell to your audience. And that's it. You're making money quickly. Are you going to get rich fast? Pretty fast. Are your results going to be typical? Pretty typical. A lot of people will say your results are not typical, right? But if you do the steps, you follow the rules, the laws of success, you're going to have success pretty fast.
All right. Thank you guys so much for listening. If you haven't checked it out yet, you definitely need to do it.